Hi, welcome to this week's Just the Tip. So, this week I want to talk about household management and what does that mean, right? So, it's January now, and pretty soon, a few months from now, it's probably going to start warming up and you're going to want to be outside and do all the activities. And so, here's my goal for you. I want you to go grab a clipboard. We're gonna take inventory, we're gonna take stock of all of those little projects that you've been meaning to get done all year round, because I'm gonna tell you, you're not gonna wanna do them when it gets nice out and when you wanna go do stuff. This is the time when it's dark early, there's not as much going on, we are in our houses more often. If you can tackle one tiny little project a week, you're gonna feel so much better by the time summer rolls around. So what I want you to do is go grab a clipboard or a piece of paper or use your phone, whatever. And I want you to write down, do a big old brain dump of every single room in the house. Does it need to be organized? Does it need to be decluttered? Are there some to-do projects in that room? Write them down. And then I'm gonna have you work backwards from, maybe the summer months to now and kind of space out. What can I realistically get done each week until then? And you're gonna feel so much better by summertime. So that's my tip of the week. Go get your clipboard and let's hear your brain dump. All right, I'll see you next week.